Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a subdomain. A subdomain acts like a separate website or a distinct section of your main site, all while using your existing domain name. It's a powerful tool for organizing content, such as a blog, an online store, or a support portal, making your web presence more structured and user-friendly for visitors. The first crucial step is to access your domain's DNS settings. You'll typically find these within your domain registrar's account or your web hosting control panel, like cPanel or Plesk. Look for a section labeled DNS Management, Zone Editor, or Advanced DNS Settings. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to create your new subdomain. Next, you will create a new DNS record. You'll usually choose between a record or a CNAME record. And a record directs your subdomain to a specific IP address, typically your server's. A CNAME record, on the other hand, points your subdomain to another domain name. In the host field, simply enter the name you want for your subdomain, like shop or dev. Finally, you need to configure your web server to recognize and serve content for your new subdomain. This often involves creating a new directory on your server and setting up a virtual host entry in your server's configuration, such as Apache or Nginx. Remember that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.